What I look forward at lunch every day is hanging out with my friends and trying new foods.
I'm usually hungry. Since I'm also an athlete, I just need to eat more food, and so I just think the lunch hall is a great place to be.
Everyone's around each other and they get to have an hour to enjoy themselves while eating different foods and really having a choice each day.
The food is always really good, and the lunch people never let anybody down.
I like lunch with my friends because even the ones that I don't see in class or that I'm not as close with, I get to talk to them and get closer with them and learn more about them during lunch.
I look forward to lunch every day because it feels like a community when we sit and eat with each other, just like the way at home with our family.
You get time to build friendships with other people that you never met before, or people that you never really talked to.
It's a low-stress environment where all our friends can get together and eat and just enjoy themselves, and I think it's a very important part of the school day. It's one of my favorite parts of the day.
It's the only time where everybody in the class is together at one time. It's a very social time. You don't have to be working on school or anything. You just kind of get to hang out with your friends. So that's why I think it's important.
Usually we have long lines at lunch, and that kind of takes away from the time where we get to eat and talk with each other.
And so when it comes to the time that you finally get your food, you sit down and may have 10, 15 minutes to eat before you're rushing out to your next class or to a flex time so that other people can come in. So you don't really have that much time to eat unless you cut the line and get in front of everybody else.
This year, Bowles families and friends will raise the paddle to expand the dining hall by 3,500 square feet, adding additional serving stations and improving the lunch experience for all students and faculty. The renovated space will feature new flooring, furniture, paint, a walk-in fridge and freezer, and more. Your contribution will go directly to making these improvements, which will result in faster lines and more time to eat for students and faculty in a beautiful new space.
It'll be good for students because, first of all, our community is growing and we need more space for other bulldogs.
I think having more serving stations is good so that if you want a salad, you can go to the salad, and if you want fruit, you don't have to wait in the whole long line. You can just go to the fruit area or go to the salad area, depending on what you are feeling that day.
I'm excited because there will be more places to go in line to eat food, and it will be much bigger lunchrooms so people aren't running into each other, and there's places to go.
I think it will definitely benefit us because things will move faster a lot of times because it's kind of small and there's so many people. It's more stressful to get your food.
It'll be much more efficient and it'll happen so much faster that you really will have a good chunk of time to eat, sit down, relax, and talk to your friends, and you won't have to worry about rushing to eat, rushing to go meet with a teacher to your next class. You'll have a good amount of time to really enjoy your food.